Mark Whitaker coming at you here again from the Lenovo booth at InfoComm 2025. Thanks for joining us here today, and right now I'm going to tell you all about our Core Gen 2 full room kit. This kit is actually featuring our Lenovo E55 display today. This is a Lenovo-made display, 4K display, and it comes complete with a slot in the rear corner of the display to house your Core Gen 2 system. In addition to that, our Core Full Room Kit comes with our Bar 180, as well as our nifty IP controller out front. Now, one of the greatest parts about this Core Full Room Kit is you have the choice between a U5 processor or a U7 processor to handle all the processing needs of your future as well as today. This will allow you to do all kinds of crazy AI features as well, which would be great for that future, that anything that Microsoft or Zoom might throw at us from the AI world, it will all be able to be handled by our Core Gen 2. The greatest part about this system is that it's available today and ready to go for you. To find out more information about this, contact me here at the Lenovo booth, 2061, on the show floor at InfoComm 2025. Or you can always hit us up at smartcollab.us. I hope to see you here though.